It's an Anaheim home. Had fairly extensive remodel done. The wiring panel was upgraded. The wiring itself was 2-wire with no ground. It was upgraded to 4-wire with a ground and a neutral wire. The wire had open beam ceiling, so it was difficult to pull the wires through. The ceiling was dropped about a foot, and insulation was put in, and the new wiring was run across the ceiling. Lighting was always a problem in this house, and so the LEDs in the ceiling solved that. Had new flooring put in.
Yes, let me show flooring all around the house. It's tile floor that looks like wood. Look how beautiful it is. It's going all around the house, even to the bedrooms. And we're in the kitchen again. Look, oh, I have to show those beautiful countertops. There are quartz with white with gray veins, and this is called waterfalls. You see on both sides of the island. I will show you the other side, and even here on the work desk table. That's called waterfall. Look at this beautiful backsplash. I'm going to the other side of the kitchen island. Here you go. You see, here is the island with the other side. And here is a fireplace. Look how beautiful it is, going all the way to the ceiling with stone. And Robert was telling us about the wood ceiling we did. Look how beautiful it is. It's going all the way here and in the bedrooms as well. Right? You want to tell us?
There were 3 load-bearing 4x4s in this area that were removed to widen the hallway, and just to remove one of them was in back here. It was in the way of the new walkway. There was a wall that ran across here that was removed. That went up about 8 feet.
Yeah, we opened the house, so now you have an open concept.
There were cabinets along here that were to widen the hallway here.
Yes, and we did matching to the kitchen cabinets. Closets here, and here is a bathroom. Look how beautiful it is, with a marble look tile and a jacuzzi tub all the way to the ceiling. Look at the shampoo niche, how cute it is, with borders around it. And I will show you the other bathroom. That's a walk-in shower. With a matching vanity. Same countertop piece. Look at this shower. I will open the glass doors and I will show you the bench and the shower niche with the same pebbles as the shower pan. Very, very nice. Very beautiful. You like it, Robert?
Oh, yeah.
Enjoy it. It's very, very nice. Thank you. It was a pleasure working with you.
Oh, thank you.